I think that's an interesting point when we start talking about geometry and form. Is perfect isn't always perfect.
No.
We need to relieve those edges because perfect is bad.
Right, so you look at what used to happen over time was that camshafts never were all that flat because the grinding wheels were relatively soft. And so when the grinding wheel was grinding the lobe, it would wear away and it create this convex shape on the lobe, which is actually very beneficial.
100%, yes.
When you went to CNCs with CBNs, they started to get really, really flat.
Yes.
And the problem is when you miss from flat, you wind up with what you call this form, this bathtub shape. And what we found when we started doing investigations was if we ever had waviness, we failed here and here. If we ever had bathtub shapes, we failed here and here.
Exactly.
And it was a big exploration of what's going on. So instead, well, what do you do if you're failing there? Well, you grind it with that type of shape.
Yes.
Now the problem is when you have that type of shape against this type of shape, you know, enough is good, but too much, and then you start loading concentration here,